this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where professional mode is not showing on Facebook. So typically, to go and turn on professional mode, you would just go and load up the Facebook application. You can click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side and then just click on your profile name. Now once you're on your profile page, you can click on these three horizontal dots and you should have the option to turn on professional mode. Now if you can't see this, I'm going to show you how we can go and fix it. So the first step is just to click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. You can click on the drop down arrow next to your profile name and you need to ensure that you're signed in to your main Facebook profile. So this isn't going to work on your Facebook pages, it needs to be your original Facebook profile that you created. Now once you're signed into your Facebook profile, you can try clicking on these three horizontal dots and you can check to see if you have the option available. Now another thing to check here is to ensure that your profile is not locked. So you can see halfway down the page, I have the option to lock my Facebook profile. And if you have this feature turned on, it means you're not going to be able to use professional mode. So just make sure this is disabled. And that's another way you can go and fix this issue. Now, if you have tried these steps and it's still not working, what we're going to do is just go and open up the settings app on your phone. And from the settings page, scroll down and click on general, click on iPhone storage, and then scroll down until you see Facebook and click on this. You can then select offload app and press offload. Now what this is going to do is it's going to temporarily uninstall the Facebook app, and then we can press reinstall and it's going to reinstall the latest version of Facebook. Now because this is a fairly new feature, if you're running an outdated version of the app, then that could be the reason why you don't see the professional mode. So just give that a few seconds to go and reinstall, and then we can head back over to the home screen and load up Facebook, and you can now check to see if professional mode is available. So those are the three ways that you can go and turn on professional mode. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.